Hey guys, I'm reading It's a Good Day to Be a Dog today. So I'm gonna read you out this series. Let's get started. Born as youngest of two sisters in an ordinary family. So there's which one? So her mom, her dad, her mom, and I guess her sister herself. I had a childhood without anything particular to comment on. Mom, Hannah's bugging me again. You hit me first. Girls, can you be quiet for one day? Oh God, she's gonna kill him. My grades in middle school were okay. You're first place again, Hannah. I'm not too bad looking. Ooh. I had easygoing personality. Lots of friends around me. I'm Penguin and Batman. What the hell? You're killing me. The state teaching exam is known for specifically, but I even passed out on my first try. I feel so embarrassed walking around my neighborhood because my parents been bragging. Then, I heard you passed your teaching exam, Hannah. Amazing. Congratulations. Thank you. When it looks like you seem to have a solid life without any twist turns. So she go to high school. But now I think I'm very unhappy woman. Because this is one thing that worked it's out so smoothly opens. Loud. Oh God, she's gonna kill him. At least pretend to be in your seat when the teacher comes in, you brats. Jeez, miss. Why are you so sensitive today? Did you get dumped again? Hey, sit down. How many times is this? Let's be quiet, guys. Don't pity me. I'd just rather to go black and being loud again. It never had a proper trips. At lunch. Blank stare. And I heard you got dumped again. Oh my God. How did you know? I heard some. It's for 4th period. They said you've been nice to them. You're not in a good mood. They're all excited because something on me again, huh? Why did you get this done time? Because of that thing? Yeah, he says I'm strange. Cool. Well, you are strange, but still, doesn't it seem a bit odd to date someone under conditions they don't kiss? Then they shouldn't have dated me. Be told clear before we start dating. Just got me something that we were all like. What, are you serious about that? I thought you were all kidding, obviously. But why? I never heard child has the marriage before. This is first. Why? Then why are you dating? Why would you kill to kiss me? I will not do anything that kiss. No problem. Maybe that's strange. If you're not going to do one, you shouldn't do anything. That's why won't you kissing aloud? If not, that's literally never kiss anyone. Really? Are you sick or something? Really? Well, Load. Load. Be right back. Click. Sis? I guess you should call it sickness. What is it? I want to go to enforce or something and shout. Shout what? I can't kiss anyone. Huh? No, my guardian. It wasn't my fault. Did you know any... How did you get any on your clothes, Mr. Jin? No. Did you smell on your hands? He just left before he can apologize. What the personality he has. Why you hate Sun Jin so much? He's a bit cold, but he sure is handsome. I don't hate him. He's the one who hates me. Why? How should I know? Shrug. Hannah song. What? Mr. Lee. The younger teachers are going out for drinking. Come too? Sure. Will you go, Hannah? Sure, I'll go. I'll see you in front of the pharmacy by the school gate after lunch. Enjoy your lunch. He's the breath of fresh air. I'm telling you, just ask him out. Do you think that some Lee will accept of not kissing? Don't act it's like because it's not your problem. Plus, I feel like he will be devastated if I called me a weirdo. Hannah, and Song Kim are both coming. Oh yeah, what happened to your hand? Oh yeah, what happened to your hand? Wait. Messed up. Now if you just feel a little slip on my way over there, you should be more careful. You're not a kid. You're right. Good day to be a dog. Where? Is Mr. Yoon not coming? He's on night watch duty. So he said to catch up after it's finished. We're gonna go drinking that late? Puppies. We should Friday night, guys. He's so cute. You must really love puppies, Mr. Lee. Yeah, I love all animals. Isn't he adorable? You're 100 times more adorable, Mr. Lee. So with let's go. Let me look at him just a bit more, huh? Mr. Chen, is your hand wasn't like that before? Wait. I'll meet you guys there. Wait up. Why is this a case so hates me so much? He's trying to make it obvious. Hannah, are you okay? You drink so much today. I really must have her heart. Kiss? What? I want to kiss. I want to try to kiss. She really is a waste. Like, a kiss, the top 4 good-looking teachers, and as if saying you can't kiss. I can't say. I was hoping she won't tell me because she's drunk, but no luck. I want to try to kiss. Fine, you should go. Do it. Go ahead if you want to. It's okay. Really? Where did Mr. Lee go? Where are you going, Hannah? To the bathroom? You want me to go? It's Mr. Lee. You must really like puppies, Mr. Lee. Yeah, I love all animals. Isn't he adorable? Yeah, I know, Mr. Lee. What's that? Someone like me? Ugh. Hannah. Okay, Hannah. It's Mr. Lee next to me. I thought Mr. Lee was over here. At the moment, I had interest. Why is he wearing Mr. Lee's coat? Just a second ago, so in ways where I dropped a drink. Realize what I done. Sorry. What time is it? Is it right now? No. There's no time. Jump. Down. Sorry. Have to get home before midnight. Hannah! I suddenly got in Hannah. She must be careful. She said she had to get home at night. Her parents must be strict. I thought Hannah lives with her sister. I must have been off my mind. Crazy. Oh, I gotta be so careful until now. Driver. What have I done? Driver, step on it, hurry. You scared me. Why did you come in so suddenly? Sis, oh my god, I made a huge mistake. Ding, ding. What? I turned into a dog if I kiss a man. I swear. Right now, I'm unluckiest woman in the world. That's all for now. Bye, guys.